1.
TechRelabs is here in the NZXT suite at the Grand Hyatt Hotel here at Computex 2010. We're going to give you a close first look at some of their new products for 2010 and what you guys can expect to see hit the retail shelves around you guys soon. We have some cases. Obviously NZXT is well known for their cases, and we're going to get to that real soon. It's about a really cool case. We have their new Echo. This case was around last year, didn't quite make it public. We have the new Omega. It looks like we have a temperature gauge up on the front here. You get your flux capacitor look on the front here. Can I open this?
Yeah, it's up from the... There you go.
Here we go. Nice, clean, sleek look. You've got room for, is that a 200?
That's a 14, yeah.
140 millimeter fan?
Yep.
And you've got a side fan and plenty of other cooling options here, back, top, and side. Johnny, am I correct? This is an entry-level case here?
Yeah, this is an entry-level case that it's coming out in about a month or two. It's going to be priced quite low, probably the lowest price case we've ever come out with. So it's more, I mean, it's more subtle, more conservative, something users have been asking from NZXT.
Okay, and ballpark price range for US?
Sub 40. Yeah, below 40 basically.
Below $40?
Yeah, and you're talking about, you know, it's got 14 at the top, bottom mounted power supply, wire routing, you know, all the features that you get on cases there.
This is actually really cool. So for a sub $40 case, you've got a bottom mounted power supply, which I can't tell you how simple that makes computer setup. And I don't understand why more case manufacturers don't do that. You've got pre-drilled liquid cooling holes for liquid cooling here. That's actually a whole lot of features to include in a sub $40 case. You've got thumb screws. That's very cool, Johnny. Tell me a little bit about your white power supplies. These are all 80 plus power supplies?
That's correct.
Very cool.
So these are our new line of Hale 90 power supplies. The reason why we call it 90 is because the efficiency is up to 90, right? The requirements for 80 plus gold requires that, you know, at full load you've got more than 90% efficient. And this is what this whole line of power supply provides. You're all going to be on a single 12-volt rail. So they're definitely going to be really good for powering enthusiasts that don't want to hassle with splitting up the components by, you know, having multiple rails. Mm-hmm. All these modular ports will take, you know, anything, so you don't have to have ones that are split up for VGA, split up for you know, SATA or peripherals. So this whole entire power will range from 550 all the way to 1000. It's 550, 650, 750, 850, and 1000 volt.
And what can we foresee in terms of price range of those products? So from the low end to the high end?
Yep, even starting from the 550 watt, the power supplies are going to run over 100. So starting from the 550, we're looking at somewhere between 100 to maybe 130. The price hasn't been set yet. We're going to be announcing it in a couple of weeks, and reviews are definitely going to be rolling out. So we'll definitely announce the street price when the time comes.
Now, I got to tell you, I date back here. This is dating me, but I go way back. I go to the old beige cases.
Right.
Okay, and I'm not used to seeing components in white, but I got to tell you, it works. I like this. Tell me why you guys chose white.
So the reason why we chose white, obviously, is because first, this is a really high range of power supplies. They're not going to be priced low, so we want users, when they buy something like this, they want to stand out. You know, when someone looks, you know, from the back of their computer, they can recognize right away that this is a Hale 90 power supply. Something, you know, something that, you know, very valuable to them, basically.
Now, enthusiasts love to color match their stuff, and you've got white power supplies, right, which, if you'll show me this wonderful beauty over here, works perfectly in your new case.
Right, so at Computex this year, we're going to be sneak peeking the Phantom. This is a white case. It's going to come in black and red also. But, you know, the reason why we've got white and black theme going on, and, you know, that's kind of what we've been doing with NZX this whole time is, you know, a white exterior and a white interior. I can't show you everything in the interior right now, but we do have a power supply in there. I can tell you it looks really good. On the top here, you've got a 5-channel, 20 watt per channel fan control. On the top, you've got your your usual suspects: the audio ports, the USB, eSATA, and the power and reset buttons. The cooling for this case you can expect to be spectacular. You've got 14 in the front, two 12s on the side, blowing all the hard drive area out. On the top left here, you've got space for 20 to 23 intake. And on the top, you've got two 20s going out, and on the back, you've got a 12. So that makes a total of 7 fans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 fans.
Now, for 7 fans, and I can tell you guys on the other end of the camera here, this system is on. This system is on, and if I'm standing where Johnny's standing right now, I can't hear it. You have to literally put your ear up against this system to hear it. But if I put my hands around this case, I can feel the airflow coming out. This is absolutely awesome. Very, very reminiscent of old style Alienware cases. However, the lines are so much better. I mean, I like the closing of the door. I really like the lines. This is an awesome system. This is kick butt. We need to get one of these. You guys need to get one of these systems.